Now, so one of the things we can do with CSS is we can put in a width and a height of some CSS. So let's just tidy this up from last time. I have 2 empty documents with no content in it, just page title and a link to the CSS. So what we can do here is we can first of all go in and select the body, which is this one. Remember, that's the visible part of the HTML. And then we can go in here and we can actually give the background color. And we can say that should be CCC. And then when you're going to refresh, it will have a different background color. So what we can do now, beside that, is we can actually go in and create a document. Or not a document, sorry, a div element. And we're going to call this box. So our box should be with a background of white, or FFF. Let's just use these color codes here instead, because you will have to get used to it. You won't be using them pretty much all the time in web development. Then we would have a width of 400 pixels and a height of 60 pixels. And this is the size of it, how broad it is, and this is how tall it is. You can even go even further and say max or minimum in both of them. And we will actually say minimum height here, because we might have more content in it than 60 pixels length. And in that scenario, we want it to be broader, but we just want it to start out as 60 pixels. So you can go in here and say, hello world. Or you can do something that's very traditional in web development, and that's just finding lorem ipsum text, which is basically just some text you just put in to fill out the blank spaces and see how it works with a lot of text. So it's nothing special about that, it's just very common. And then you can go in here and we can say padding 10 pixels, which means that we will then have some space here. We can even go even further, and we can say that a max width of 450 pixels and a minimum width of 400 pixels. So again, this is really good, because then we can actually control how tall it should be maximum and how broad it should be minimum, and so on, which gives you a lot of opportunities within web design and development to create even more advanced layouts. And it's some important features to know about in web development. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one.